About a year and a half ago, Mail Online became the #1 newspaper website in the world. And according to ComScore, we've got over 50 million unique visitors across our desktop product. But when you look at mobile and all of our internal tracking, we've got over 120 million unique visitors every month. And it has been quite phenomenal. And also the growth has been rapid. So the business really, in its current iteration, only launched about 4 or 5 years ago. And it spun off entirely from its sister company, which is the newspaper called The Daily Mail, and has been operated completely independently since. And I think that's actually one of the keys to success. We weren't really tethered to the newspaper business. We weren't an afterthought. Martin Clark, our publisher, started it up very entrepreneurially and built a pure play digital publishing business that had, I think, two key advantages over a lot of traditional publishers. One is, unlike a newspaper, you can print as much content as you'd like. So he can literally publish hundreds of stories a day, and he does. And then the second thing is, we've got great technology, we're very data oriented, and we obsessively watch things like site analytic reports and engagement reports and social media to see within our own environment what's resonating, what stories people are clicking on and sharing. And so within minutes of publishing a story, we actually have enough feedback to know whether or not that story is going to be a winner or a loser, whether it should live or die on the homepage or if it needs a rewrite. So I would say our using technology and data to do what we do really well, which is tell stories, has been one of the real keys to success. UK is actually right now a smaller audience than the US. The rest of the world is actually the biggest when you combine it all. So we are truly a global digital publisher. And of those 120 plus million uniques every month that are visiting our desktop product, our tablet product, and our smartphone product, it's really a diverse international audience. About 2 years ago, Mail Online began actually creating content in the United States. We've got editorial offices in New York and Los Angeles, and of course a large editorial staff in London. And we continue to invest aggressively in video content. And one of the reasons we are is because the video medium is a perfect complement to our already visually intensive format. We use a lot of images, a lot of photos, so video really complements that well. And because so much of our traffic is now coming across a mobile device, we're finding that our audience is really engaging with our video content. As a matter of fact, according to ComScore, Mail Online has the #1 most video views per visit in our category. So for that reason, we've continued to invest in our video editorial staff across all 3 editorial offices in London, New York, and LA. I would say our key content verticals are entertainment, lifestyle, and breaking world news, which really are very suitable for video content. And I would also predict that we'll continue to expand the types of video programming that we're deploying. And we're even looking at doing more original programming. We do think that's an opportunity. But right now, a lot of what we're developing is to support the existing content that we're publishing, the existing articles. So as a result of us creating more and a lot of high quality video content, we are able to deliver some great opportunities for our advertising partners in the video channel. Today, of course, we're delivering traditional online video advertising solutions, pre-roll, mid-roll, post-roll, and we're doing that with a fair amount of scale and growing. So we're publishing hundreds of articles every day with a large and increasing percentage of those articles containing video content. But we're also able to deliver more customized and unique programs for our advertising partners. So branded video content marketing programs where we're actually creating custom video content and programming where brands can be embedded, and it's a little bit more unique and a little bit more high impact than just the standard pre-roll. So most of what we're selling right now is direct through our direct sales team, but we do work with programmatic partners where appropriate. We're certainly very serious about private exchanges with brands that we can work with directly or agency trading desks. But right now, that's just by definition going to be limited to the more traditional programmable advertising inventory, like the pre-roll inventory. What we'll always focus on selling direct, of course, are those custom marketing programs across our entire suite of content solutions.